If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When taking photos with a camera, you often have the choice to take the photos in either the JPEG or Camera RAW file format. In general, many less expensive cameras only let you take JPEG photos. However, many more expensive models offer the option of taking photos in either JPEG or Camera RAW formats. JPEG is a photo file format associated with file types that end with either a .jpg or .jpeg file extension. However, there are many different types of Camera RAW file formats available. Commonly used Camera Raw file formats include .nef, .cr2, and .crw, among others. You should choose the default file type you want to use to take photos before you take pictures with your camera. JPEG, which stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group, is the most common image file type. When a camera produces a JPEG file, it compresses it before saving it. This produces a smaller file which loses a bit of data as a result, usually an unrecognizable amount. However, camera raw images give you uncompressed and larger files which have no loss of data or clarity. If you have the space and the choice, it's always better to shoot in camera raw as it achieves the maximum photo clarity available. Photoshop is integrated with the latest version of Camera Raw. This lets you work in a non destructive manner with Camera Raw files to set image attributes like white levels, sharpness, and contrast within Photoshop. So, in summary, you should know your camera's default photo capture settings before taking photographs and opening them in Photoshop. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.